Heavy rain caused flash flooding in Nogales, which borders Sonora, Mexico and Arizona, USA on August 9, 2022. Cars were washed away, as streets turned into rivers. Over 10,000 citizens were affected, with residents forced to leave their homes. Power cuts were reported as floods, and high winds damaged power cables. Emergency services worked to help trapped citizens, as flood levels rose. Flood waters entered homes and businesses, destroying possessions and produce. In rural areas, landslides W.
Oye, qué feo, güey. La madre.
Allá tampoco.
El carro grita peligrando, ¿qué, le? Sí, el grito, ¿no?
Nunca lo había visto así yo, güey. No, güey, tú sí, güey, nunca, güey. Cuando no estaba esa madre así, como